How do you build a brand online? You have to be on social media. But obviously, before we get into the deal, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Pinterest. I have a TikTok also, yes, The Finance Queen. You can also book my sessions if you need any help with investments, other things like advice like branding and marketing and stuff like this. Almost every other person you see nowadays, whether they go to college, university, whether they're married, after marriage, before marriage, whatever. Lots of ladies, even men obviously, everybody has started to do this thing where they're creating a brand, they have a social media existence, as in a social media presence, and then they utilize that, they build their own brand, and they make sales. Some of them don't even need any budget for marketing from the get-go, because there's already this built audience that loves you so much, likes you so much, and they buy from you, which has been the case with me. I never really had to have like a marketing budget until like very later into the business, right? You want to be on Instagram, you want to share your products, you want to share your journey, you want to share yourself also, because I think we all know lifestyle sells, and this is, I think, the biggest secret key of selling online that you will ever hear. I don't know why nobody talks about that. Lifestyle sells. A lot of the times, even in the past, I would even see people online and be like, they're always sharing what they're buying, they're sharing their life, they're sharing this and the jets and all of those things. In your mind, you think, what a show off. Little did I know, it's not a show off. Maybe, okay, some people actually really do show off, but no, for the most part, if you see profiles that show their consumerism side a lot to you, that means they're trying to attract consumers to their platforms. How do you attract consumers? Through showing consumerism, right? You show products, you show luxury, you show this bag, you show that bag, and those kind of people that invest into those bags or want to invest into those things, they come to you and they follow you, they watch you. Then what happens? Those are the people that actually are consumers. They are the ones that spend money, they buy things online. And when you are the one displaying your amazing, glamorous lifestyle, then of course they would want to invest in your brand. So that's just a little secret. Lifestyle sells, so upgrade your life.